Welcome to Vitality Vision. If you're all about keeping your health on track with real, practical advice, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive into today's topic, and make sure to stay tuned for the best tips and insights to help you stay healthy and vibrant. Today's video is all about lipomas, what they are, why they occur, and what you can do about them. I will have a short surgery video at the 1 minute and 30-second mark. You will be able to jump to it in the timeline below. Now, first things first. What exactly is a lipoma? A lipoma is basically a benign tumor made up of fat tissue. They are usually soft to the touch, movable under the skin, and generally painless. Not to worry though, they're typically harmless. So what causes these little lumps? While the exact cause isn't always clear, genetics play a significant role. If someone in your family has had lipomas, you might be more likely to develop them too. Other factors that might contribute include minor injuries and conditions like Madelung's disease. Madelung's disease, also known as multiple symmetric lipomatosis, is a rare disorder characterized by the growth of fatty tumors around the neck, shoulders, and upper arms. It is often associated with alcohol abuse and metabolic disorders. Make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I post new content every week to keep you informed and feeling your best. You won't want to miss it. Now let's talk treatments and remedies. If your lipoma isn't bothering you, the best thing to do might be just to leave it alone. However, if it's causing discomfort or you don't like how it looks, there are several options. Surgical removal is the most common and effective treatment. This involves a minor procedure to excise the lipoma entirely. Now let's watch as a small lipoma is removed from the right arm of a patient.
So it's already been anesthetized. I am just cleaning the area. I'm gonna recheck my cappy. Any pain, honey?
No.
Any pain here?
No.
The side?
No.
Anything at all underneath?
No.
So this whiteness that you guys are seeing, that is the numbing medicine because it vasoconstricts. It's got a little bit of epinephrine. So I'm just opening up the skin.
How exciting.
Don't know.
Sure.
I'm gonna go dissect around it now. Pain-wise, you're doing okay?
Yeah.
See, this is popping out already really nicely. Beautiful. There's our pop. Yay.
Just like a hard-boiled egg.
Just like a hard-boiled egg. And I'm gonna go underneath it and remove that little fatty growth. And there it is. Flat. Let's see if there's any other little remnants. Oh, there is a little baby in there. Oh, there we go.
They've had kids.
So I'm gonna just use some blunt dissection to get that out now. Beautiful. And Alex is stabilizing it for me so I can just go underneath it.
Thank God for the extra hands.
Good. So now let's look at the skin. You can see there's no more fatty tissue growth in there. This fat is actually just normal fat. You have a little bit of normal fat. She's a really lean woman. She's a lean woman, so she doesn't have a lot of normal fat. But this is just normal fat. So we actually don't want to remove the normal fat because that'll leave a divot in her arm. But you can see how nice and flat that is. That we're gonna put a few little stitches in there. We'll show you the after photo in a little bit.
How
and it'll be
exciting.
perfect. Awesome, thank you.
Another option is liposuction. Yes, the same procedure used for fat removal can also be used to treat lipomas. There's also steroid injections that can help shrink them, but won't remove them completely. Now here's what not to do. Avoid trying to remove a lipoma yourself. This can lead to infections, scarring, and other complications. Also, don't fall for miracle creams or supplements claiming to dissolve lipomas. They're usually ineffective and can be a waste of money. Natural remedies, although not scientifically proven, are sometimes used for managing lipomas. Apple cider vinegar, turmeric, and flaxseed oil are common home treatments. But remember, always consult your healthcare provider before trying any alternative remedies. To wrap things up, lipomas are generally harmless fatty lumps that many people might develop at some point in their lives. While they're usually nothing to worry about, effective treatments are available if they cause discomfort or concern. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional for any medical concerns. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.